Hiya there, it's Adam at Fordington's in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this 65 plate Audi A3 saloon 1.6 TDI S line automatic. Just in this really nice metallic white. Great spec on this vehicle. Really nice alloy wheels. Rear parking sensors. Onto the boot, really nice size, very clean. You've also got the spare wheel underneath there. Two previous owners, so as you can see, really clean inside. Just an over 52,000. I have a nip in it that should display there. 52,545. Partial split between leather and the cloth material. The screen displays on there with the navigation dials just there for the radio, the aircon dual climate control, so you can have different temperatures for the passenger side and driver side. Cruise control as well. So there you are. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and we'll look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you now. Bye.